Ayaw mo kasi, di ba?
Good yun sa 10 million.
Hindi po
Pati kung ano, sana madapa ako pero may 1 million sasabihin.
Yan. Ayun. Ano yung ano?
Tuki. Yung pangalan mo? Happy birthday! For the VLOG. Pumasok! Husband and wife. To be. Say hi to the VLOG.
Say hi.
Hi! Hi! Good job, Nina. How old are you? Masok? Pumiplacing ka pa eh.
Ay, si Kylo. Si Kylo, sa pool sa mukha din. Oh, go. So, ibabaw.
Yes. Yes, love. Hold up.
Ayaw nga pala. Guys, nagulera na sila. Nagulera na to.
Must be a very intense game of pitch downstairs. It's a spot na.
Ano mang, nananalo ka? Gigil Changina. He say, I love you, Changina. I love you. Okay. Oh, Lucas, go give. Sabi ko we're at Asa.
Tingin ang plato, lagay ng pork. Marunong ka magbalat ng mais?
Probinsya.
Gulay? Siyempre, hindi ka naman nagugulay. Makatawag naman. Akala ko naman nakasetup. Kain na, kain na!
Tatanggalin din yan dyan. Sana may full experience. Balatan. Paki-spread na lahat everywhere.
Na-spread. Na-spread! Caesar, Caesar! So, Raymond, nasa na Caesar. Ito.
Kylo. Are you okay, Lucas? Hi! Hi! You cutie. Oh, you gotta go eat. Oh, go get the eggs.
Go get eggs now.
Let's go.
Oh, pick up.
Hi, Amelia. Hi, Luna. Where's your basket? Oh, go. Let's go. Go get the eggs. Go. Kyla, come on. Let's go get the eggs. Oh, go. Get the
Wala
eggs.
yung basket ni ano.
Wow, tulungan mo na si Kylo. Go. Oh, go get the eggs. Put it in your bag like this. Lucas, like this. Oh, go put it in the bag. Go. Go. Go, there's more. Easy. Look. Wow, tulungan mo si Kylo.
Where's Kayo?
Go find the eggs.
There's none in there.
Oh, go, go, go. Up. Oh, up. Go get the eggs. Go get. Sige lang. Amelia, where's the eggs? Go put the eggs. Oh, go. Put more egg, look. Oh. What's that? That's a purple. Oh, purple egg. Go. There's more hiding. Lucas, here. Look. Over there. It's a big egg.
It's just short.
It's so short. Okay, go. Find more eggs. Lucas, look. How about this? Here. Go get your eggs. All of it. Go. Luna, go get the eggs. Naging indoor egg hunting. Go. Luna, here. Luna, here. Look. Eggs. Go get it. Go get it. Lucas, what's this? Over there. Okay. Oh, Amelia, go get the eggs. Go get the eggs. Ang kikinis ng boses sa mga ano eh, no? Mga coach. Easy. Oh, go get all the eggs over there. Go fast. Oh my goodness, go. All of it, go. He's stuck.
Wala, hindi interesado si Kylo sa
Look, Lucas. Go get the one at the top. Oh, go fast. Okay, go. Hold on. Meron pa
Go
dito.
outside, hurry. Go get your basket.
Go get your basket. Let's wear your slippers. Let's go.
Go get slippers.
Teka. Ako muna. Para makikuha ko sila. Teka. Okay. Wow! Wala kayong chinelas. Hanapin niyo yung $1. Go get the eggs. Easy. Go fast. Lucas. Wow! Good job, Eileen. Okay, go get the eggs, Lucas. Go. Fast. There's a big egg. Go fast. Wag, nasan yung basket ni Kylo? Wab, yung basket ni Kylo. Go! Go get the golden egg. That's the $1 million.
$1 million ni Jessa.
Kylo, look. Go get the egg. Go get the egg. Kylo, come here. Go get Kylo. Okay, let's go back and finish the eggs inside. Come on. Go. Go.